have a roadshow about the India Maritime Week that is going to be held in Mumbai from 27 to 31st October. So, as we know that in that maritime event, we'll showcase all the activities and about our port also. So, as you know, in the last so many years, we have been doing a lot of work in our port, so far as the capacity augmentation is concerned. And as you know that in the last February, our Honorable Prime Minister had come and to our port and had announced the Outer Harbour project. And again in the month of September last year, we commissioned one state-of-the-art container terminal, it is berth number 9. And again, our Honorable Prime Minister came last month and dedicated one of the berths in the port, that is NCB3, along with the inauguration of the airport at Tuticorin. Also, in September, our Honorable Union Minister visited our port, and on the occasion of B.O. Chidambaram birth anniversary, and apart from participating in the birth anniversary function, he dedicated a lot of projects, and one of them is the green hydrogen plant, and we are proud to say that we are the first port which has produced the green hydrogen, and now we are utilizing the green hydrogen power to light one street of our township, and as well as charging of our electric vehicles that is running in our port. So I would like to mention about the various the capacity enhancement work that we have been doing in this our port, and we have commissioned last year the link conveyor of one berth, and that has increased the capacity of our port by 0.72 million metric ton. Then also we have commissioned the NCB3 by dredging, and that has increased the capacity of our port by around 7 million metric ton. Then we have, of course, I mentioned about the berth 9, which was converted into container terminal. Last September, it was inaugurated by our Honorable Union Minister, and it was a project which was targeted for January 25, but we could commission it much before the target, that was in September. And other ongoing projects also that is going on in our port, that is like construction of berth number 10, then road expansion for smoothing the traffic, then establishment of a museum, that one museum also we are setting up, and the direct port entry facility has already started in our port, but some NCL infrastructure for that also we are commissioning. Then also we are planning to add the one more work, that expansion of our entrance channel. So that will be expanded from 153 meter to 230 meter to admit bigger vessels. And then, of course, we are doing the mechanization of NCB3, which already we have started the operation. Then a major upcoming projects is the one that is the Outer Harbour. So this also we are going to restructure, and very shortly we will be awarding the contract, and that Outer Harbour work will start, and that will add 4 million TEU capacity to our port, and our port will become one of the major transshipment hub of the container in the eastern coast of our country. Then in the IT initiative also we are taking a lot of work, a lot of initiative. We have started work for converting our port into digital twin port, and within the next 3 to 4 months we will be the digital twin port of the country. Then also we are taking action for port GPT and anti-drone system for increasing the safety of our ports. Also on the green side, as I mentioned, that we have become the first port to produce green hydrogen, and as you know that Government of India has declared our port as the green hydrogen hub of the country. And also we are doing a lot of work on solar and wind, and as in the presentation our traffic manager, he mentioned that we are producing about 8 megawatt of renewable power, and our port total energy requirement is met by the renewable power that we are generating. And also now we are going to set up 6 megawatt additional windmill in our port, and that will make our port completely carbon neutral. And also Government of India has given us some responsibility for setting up the green methanol bunkering facility, and we have already started the work, and we will be ready for green methanol bunkering to our port, to our vessels coming to our port by December, and this work will be completed in December, and we are projecting ourselves to be a port of future, and we are making ourselves ready for bunkering the green ship that will pass through our port. And also we are doing a pilot plant for the green methanol production from the solid waste. From using 25 tons of solid waste, we will be producing about 8,000 liters of green methanol per day. So this is some of the activities that we have been doing in our port. And to showcase this activity, we will be participating in the India Maritime Week. And as you know that the India Maritime Week is going to be held from 27th to 31st October in Bombay Exhibition Center, Mumbai. And it is one of the flagship event of our ministry. And it is one of the largest global maritime event. And here about 100 plus countries will participate. About more than 1 lakh delegates will be there. 500 plus exhibitions will happen. And all the ports will be participating there. All the major industry of the maritime sector, they will be participating, and there will be global leaders, and there will be lot of sessions on which on various subjects of the maritime industry that will be discussed, and a lot of best practices will be discussed, which is happening all across the globe.